Welcome to the Me section of Play. Here, you can see your most recent launches, some of your favorite insights, and edit your business information so you can be getting the most out of Play. Let's get started. This is like your profile section. You'll be able to see your recent activity and also edit your business information that you might have seen during the onboarding flow. Adding the right information is crucial to getting the most out of Play. The Discover section, the Analytics section, and the Growth section all are impacted by the information that you put into your profile. Again, most of this information should have already been completed during the onboarding flow, and you can change this at any time in the Me section. And when you're done, you'll see how many website visitors that you need to hit your revenue goal and how much you should be spending. There are also a few additional questions like location, business name, and goals, which will be used by Play to automate some of your marketing tasks. You'll also be able to access the growth calculators, and if you've connected to Google Ads or Google Analytics, you can actually track your performance right here against your goals. You can just tap on the three dots in the top right of any of the growth calculators. Again, these are also connected to the growth calculators in the Discover section, but you can track your performance against them right within the Me section. If you scroll down farther, you'll see a list of your favorite insights that you can easily find and choose from. You can also see your recent launches that you did in the growth section. You can easily edit the names, pause some of the campaigns, or just see your campaign results. And this is the Me section.